Hey guys, showing you this work light with a 2800 lumen LED work light. So it's a rechargeable under hood work light with a magnetic work light, or the 3 modes bright mechanic light with magnetic thing. So you can see it here. So the USB, so you can charge it, and also you can charge your mobile device or something from its back USB. So that's very handy. So it can be used as a both sides. So you can charge this battery and you can use it as a battery pack. So this is the light with the different modes. So you can see it here, so very bright light, and you can also turn this to adjust and how the way you want it, so that you can use it in a work light. The other thing, so this is the manual, so this describe the use. So it's pretty straightforward. So you can use the position you want. So this also have the magnets on the side, so if you want to put it on a metal surface or on your car or somewhere, you can directly put it. So this is the magnetic surface, very strong, so you can just put it there and it will just hold. Very nice work light.